back panels are not a good idea. Everything's catching on them. So we'll let them sit there for a few minutes. And we'll see if we can take these panels off. Totally cooking ourselves. Okay. Okay. Alright, we'll have to remember to come out here and do this automatically for a little bit. Okay, we can get those back panels off. Okay. So we have a really, really hot fire going here. You think that may put it out, but it really doesn't. Should have put this on. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a tent. Put some foil over this so that I can try to take off these back screws. Oh, let's turn this off. Might turn the fire down a little bit. Okay. Very good. All right. Well, after all the disasters that we had getting this done, like it's finally done. You take your temperature gauge, and oh gosh, like it's already 105 degrees. That's out here alone. And you stick it in some of the sticker points, and you're looking for it to be about 140 degrees. That's a little off. We can throw that in the oven and cook it when we finalize it. See, this says 149 over here. So it just depends on where you put it. It says 128, but you can tell it's done now. So 148 over here. So you can see it's pretty well done. Whatever's not done, you can finish off inside and maybe heat it up. Okay. Now we need to take this off and take it inside. Hopefully we can do it without messing everything up. Okay. Let me do five. Cool off a little bit here. you have to come over here and look a little closer, you'll see that this thing is supposed to be sitting in there as it turns, and it's not. That's because the guy who put this together did not put these on here the right way. They should be turned around facing this direction so that it's a shorter distance. Oh, I should have checked that before I started cooking on it. That was one of our problems today. And then whenever you get ready to stab it, you gotta stab it on here really good. You gotta tie it down really good, because as it shrinks, it's gonna want to fall off. All right, okay. Let's take this guy, we'll take him inside, we're gonna put him on the table. I think you are. I don't want to come loose from there. Okay, so I guess what we gotta do open the door. Okay, and we got it in here. We let it sit for a few minutes. Then we'll start chopping it up and freezing it. Whew. It's definitely for the young people, not the old people. And doing this on the hottest day of the year is probably not a good idea. We should wait until the fall or winter to try to cook this baby outside. All right, because it's really been causing me problems and sweat up a storm and everything. Plus the heat coming off of it. Anyway, we live and we learn, hopefully.